Naveen, wait, let me show you this trade here that I took today. Just a moment. Let me share here my screen. I shared this trade actually with the guys also from the anticipation channel. All the students there, they were also taking the trade together with me. And
Good.
I shared also in the elite, and I share also in the course, in the new course that we are doing, the Iconic Boost program. I also share with the students there, and the guys are
How,
also able to do this kind of trades.
how are they doing in the iconic? But I actually remember this trade. I've seen you take this trade earlier today in the morning in London, and I shared it
Yes.
with one of my one-on-one students about this. But you
Ah,
said about you talked about this in the Boost program as well, Iconic Boost.
yes. So we
How
share with the students there also. Hmm?
how are they doing?
Oh, they're doing very good. I saw that after this 2 weeks, they improved so much the way that they are trading. One of them, he saw actually in the anticipation channel that I took this trade, and in the course today in the lesson, he said, "I know why you took it."
Nice, nice, very
Yes,
good,
he
very good.
understood also the trade, and yeah, he knew why I bought this one, pound Swiss. So I
Very nice.
see that the guys, they are also understanding much better the market, and they're also able to take trades now by themselves after 2 weeks of training.
Nice, nice. Okay, I want to talk about this for a moment. Like, if you can, we can turn off the screen sharing a bit, and I just wanted to talk about this. This is good that you have a fantastic trade, and this is gonna come, and I hope this will come all the time, the way it is like that, because now you got the taste of how it's supposed to be done. What I'm more interested in is want to talk a little bit on the psychology of things because that's the most important piece to mold around this experience rather than I took a trade so perfectly, stop loss is tiny, take profit is massive, and how many steps if you were to give it a number of how many pieces did you have to keep track of? Is it more than five?
Yes, I would say it's more than five. Yes,
Than 10?
I would say about 10. It's I think at some point when you start to put this in practice, you don't even realize anymore how many steps you have to follow. You just
Good.
start to do this automatically because you're there and you're practicing every day, you're doing your research, and at some point it's like, I think you use very often this analogy, it's like driving a car, right? At the beginning it feels a bit overwhelming. You have a lot of things that you have to look, but at some point it's like natural. And that's how it feels now when I take those trades. It feels more natural, those research that I have to do. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. And that's the part to always take in and understand this thing that you can start to see now whenever we have these conversations in the past you used to ask about is, you know, my trade is going up and down a little bit. Is it psychology? And we still have this conversation. It's like 99% of the time, it's never psychology. That's for psychologists to make money by saying there's something wrong with you. Let's not ever identify it and say it's a mental problem because that cannot be solved. Good luck. But
That's true.
in this industry, it's not a mental problem, it's an educational problem. People just don't know what to do.
Yes, exactly. They don't know exactly what to look for to take a trade. Yes, that's
Correct.
true.
So, how do you feel to take a trade and then it launches instantaneously? It's a good feeling, right?
Yes. Now I feel like that's how it's supposed to work. That's what it's supposed to do. I
Right.
enter the trade and it should go a few candles after I enter. And actually, when it doesn't go, I already start questioning something is wrong with this trade.
Good, good,
That's
good,
how it feels actually.
good. So that means your result is within candles, and you know this is for me or this is not for me. You don't sit in front of your screen all day every day anymore, right? It's just I've done my work. It's now or never. You know,
Yes,
it's a
yes,
good feeling.
yes,
It's a good position to be in.
yes. I feel, yeah, I feel much more confident now after I have applied all this knowledge from the courses. that I have done with you and all the training that we have done together. It's like my trade has improved tremendously. I cannot put this in words.
No, that's good. That's good. Now, all the students that you're dealing with, they look up to you for that same guidance of help and support. And, you know, you are now their light of like, please show me the way. What should I do? And you're closer to them than I would be. You're closer to them. You're like, I just went through that process that you're going through right now. So I really understand what you're going through. I understand them, but every day I'm getting further and further and further and further. Years and years and years of experience gap is coming in, right? So empathy is there. I understand the whole industry that I've built around urban forex is around that cause, obviously. But you would be closer to them for them to be like, I need help, and you're like, I know what you need help with. I can tell what the problem is.
Yes,
The
yes.
same
And
way I used to do with you guys in the beginning. I know what the problem is. You don't even have to ask me.
yes, yes, yes. Just like that. Yeah, that's true. And yeah, I've been sharing some of the secrets that you share with us. I'm sharing with them also. So I see that
Good,
this is also like helping them a lot.
good, good. Yeah, it's okay. With the students, don't hold back. Help them how you feel the time is right. Go deeper, share the secrets, all the stuff that you have to do. It's fine. It's fine.
Yes, yes, yes. It's my pleasure to do this.
No, that's good. That's good. So pound yen today, pound Swiss, right?
Yes, pound Swiss. And I saw you also took a trade that was actually quite, I think your entry was quite similar to mine during the NFP news.
The CAD yen.
Yes,
I'm
yes, yes, the
I'm
Canadian.
actually still in the CAD yen. Let me share my screen here. So I'm still in this CAD yen right now. This is where I got in. And right now stops are at break even. This is why you probably can't see my order. But I'm targeting down around the 109 price. But this overall CAD yen, I really want to buy this to the moon, basically. But, that doesn't really happen in Forex as much. But as you've known my story of that big monthly trade from Aussie Swiss franc that I always cry about, that
Yes.
multi-million-dollar trade that every day pokes me a little bit inside. Like, I can't believe I missed it. So, but yeah, this one, I was in a meeting today in my other ventures. I was doing a tech meeting, and during that time, I saw the setup. I took the trade while I was in the meeting, and then I came out of the meeting. I'm like, great. I grabbed the NFP as well simultaneously. So. But all the elements, if you look at it from a 15 minutes, 15 minutes is the entry that I did, but the story comes from daily, 4 hour, 60, and the understanding of monthly on top of that, because my goal is to buy this thing. But because I'm so involved in every little element of this, I saw an opportunity and I'm like, NFP is going to be a sell today.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
So the fact that you said that I took a trade similar to the way you took it with your CAD yen makes me happy, because I know when you look at this, you understand, I see what he's done there too. Just the same way your students are telling you now. I see what you did, right?
Yes,
You
yes.
sneaky, you sneaky. Like, it's good. It's good because it's hidden information that the average public feels they know, because they studied for hours and hours and hours, and they feel they're the smartest person on the planet just because they studied a lot. Doesn't mean anything. Do you know what to do? And that comes down to understanding, how does this market work? Rather than, if I have a line and the line crosses, what should I do? Right? At this point, you're really far from that, aren't you?
Yes, thank God.
Good, good, good. I'm very proud of your progress. I think I'll have the team probably share this portion of the video onto YouTube as well, in the journeys that you've been having. I think the people who follow you will find this very refreshing to hear, and you'll probably get a lot of comments below this video saying they support your journey and they feel your accomplishments. They've seen you grow live, so nicely done, nicely done.
Yes, thank you, especially to you for dedicating so much time to help us.
No, my pleasure, my pleasure.